this is Nysa again. This is part 17 of my German tutorial. Today's topic is we are going to go for shopping and we are going to learn some of the food's name in German. So let's get started. First, when you go for shopping, you need a trolley. So to tell trolley in German, we say the trolleys, dia and Volkswagen. Then the second one is rice. Of course, you like to eat rice, don't you? So the rice is said dia rice. Third one is the salt. Das salts means the salt. Fourth one is the oil. Das Öl. Fifth one is the bread. It is said as das Brot. Sixth one is chocolate. Yummy. The chocolate. Seventh one is cheese. Der Käse. Eighth one is the egg. Das Ei. Ninth one is the butter. Der Butter. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more updates and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you.